Disabling two-factor authentication on Paramount Plus can help simplify your login process. Follow these steps to turn off the security feature. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Paramount Plus website or open the app and log in using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Find security settings. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled security or privacy. Click on it to access your security options. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Within the security settings, locate the option for two-factor authentication. There should be a toggle or checkbox that allows you to disable this feature. Click to turn it off. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling two-factor authentication, you may be prompted to confirm your choice. Follow any additional instructions provided to finalize the changes. Once you have completed these steps, two-factor authentication will be disabled on your Paramount Plus account. Always remember to keep your account secure with a strong password.